Dear students, I welcome you on behalf of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College for the remote teaching learning process, where our motto is let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Today, let us continue with part 2 of Introduction to Corporate Finance. In a previous lecture, we understood the meaning of corporate finance. We also understood which are the two basic decisions required for corporate finance. Now today, let us continue with the next question, a third question, that is discuss the importance of corporate finance. We understood the meaning of corporate finance, but why corporate finance is important? Why to study about corporate finance? What is so important about corporate finance? What is the need for corporate finance? Today, in this answer, we are going to understand in detail the importance of corporate finance. So let us understand the importance of corporate finance. Firstly, corporate finance is important because it helps in decision making. Every business organization is required to take decisions relating to production activities, financial activities, marketing activities, sales activities, and so on. But this decision is completely based on the corporate finance. Unless and until the company, the business organization doesn't have sufficient funds, it won't be able to take decisions, and so it is necessary for firstly to see to it that the necessary funds are available, and that is why unless and until the business organization is not aware about the availability of funds, it won't be able to take decision. So corporate finance is important because through it the company knows the availability of funds, how much amount of capital is available. Once the availability of funds, a company comes to know about the availability of funds, it can take the necessary decisions. Secondly, every business organization works for profit, so necessary decisions have to be taken to see that whatever decisions are taken, they have an impact on the profits of the company. Decisions have to be taken in such a way that it brings about profits for the firm. So no decisions to be taken which brings about losses to the firm. So secondly, a business organization needs to work out on the impact of profitability. Thirdly, the finance manager also needs to take decision, also needs to give a green signal only when the project is financially viable. That is, he needs to check out the availability of funds, from where the funds are available, what are the impacts on the profit, and then if everything goes correct, he or she should give a green signal. Then only the further decisions can be taken by the firm. Let us now move towards the second point, which is help in raising capital for a project. Corporate finance is also important because it helps any business organization to raise capital for its ongoing project as well as upcoming project. Any business organization requires capital. Without funds, it cannot run the business organization. So, firstly, it is necessary to raise capital for a project. That is why corporate finance, a study of corporate finance, a study of capital market, a study of money market is very much needed if a business organization wants to raise capital for the project. Secondly, how can these funds be raised? It can be raised by means of issue of shares, bonds, debentures, bank loan, etc. Besides this, it can also take loan from financial institutions, raise money in international market, and so on. So, the second importance of corporate finance is a study of corporate finance helps the business organization to raise capital for its project. Let us now move towards the third one, which is help in research and development. Research and development play a very important role for the growth of any organization. If a firm wants to expand, if a firm wants to grow, it is necessary to do research and development. Those business organizations who do not do research and development, who do not take research activities, their growth becomes stagnant. They are unable to grow. So, for growth and expansion, it is necessary to carry on research and development activities. Carrying on research and development activities is a very lengthy process, and whenever any process is very lengthy, it requires a huge financial support. Without financial support, without corporate finance, it's not just possible to carry on research and development activities. How is this research and development activities carried on? It is necessary for that to update your old product or develop a new product, because the market is completely customer oriented, where you need to think about the likes, dislikes of the customer. So a business organization needs to take necessary research and development activities so that it can update the old product or bring a new product. So corporate finance is important because it helps, it motivates a business organization to carry on research and development activities. Let us now move towards the next importance, which is help in smooth functioning or running of business firm. A business organization, if it requires to run smoothly, if it wants that its activity should go on in a smooth manner, when do you say a business organization runs smoothly? It can be said that a business organization runs smoothly when it gets sufficient income in order to meet its expenditure. Also, it is able to get profits. Only when the business organization is able to earn income, pay expenditures and earn profits, then only it is said that the business is running very smoothly. Every business organization is required to pay salaries to its employees on time. Not only that, a business organization raises capital by means of various loans which are to be cleared on time. Further, new products are to be launched time to time. Also, raw materials are required to be purchased. Besides this, a business organization has to incur expenditure on various other activities. All this requires the support of corporate finance. So, fourth point accordingly is corporate finance helps a business organization in smooth running of business firm, because in corporate finance we have already studied that the business organization needs to do a proper financial planning, and when it does the financial planning, it comes to know clearly as to what are the various sources of income and what are the various sources of expenditure. So study of corporate finance helps in the smooth running of business. Let us now move towards the fifth importance, which is it brings about coordination between various activities. A joint stock company or a business organization is made up of various departments like purchase department, sales department, marketing department, human resource department, and mostly the most important is the finance department. All these departments have to work in coordination with one another, but the most important department amongst them is the finance department. The finance department has to bring about coordination between the various activities which are carried on by the various departments. Unless and until all these departments work together in coordination, the success of the organization is not at all possible. So, firstly, there is a need for departmental coordination. Secondly, Each and every department requires sufficient funds to carry on its activities. The production department, the sales department, the marketing department, the personnel department, all these departments require sufficient amount of finance. Without finance, this won't be possible that they run their department smoothly. That is why it is utmost responsibility of the finance manager to provide adequate finance to each and every department. Departmental efficiency definitely depends upon the effective financial management, and financial management is one of the basic duties of finance manager. So if the business organization expects that each and every department performs its duty efficiently, it is necessary that the finance department has to coordinate with each and every department and provide them the necessary funds so that each and every department functions smoothly, and thereby it increases its efficiency. So, fifth, it is necessary that to bring about coordination between the various activities. So, corporate finance is also important because it brings about coordination between the various activities. Let us now move towards the next one, which is promotes expansion and diversification. Corporate finance, a study of corporate finance is also important because it brings about the expansion of the business organization. Expansion includes quantitatively, which means that a business organization grows in its size, and diversification refers to change in line of business. A study of corporate finance helps both in expansion as well as diversification because expansion and diversification both requires huge amount of financial support. Whenever a business organization wants to expand, it requires modern machines, modern techniques. It needs to replace its old machinery, old technology with new technology, which definitely requires financial support. So, corporate finance is also important because it helps a business organization to expand and to diversify. Let us now move towards the seventh one, which is managing risk. Every business organization is exposed to a variety of risk, and we are aware about that. It can't be like a business is free with any sort of risk. Risk is a part of business organization. Every business organization has to face risk in the form of fall in sales, loss due to natural calamity, loss due to strikes, etc. In order to overcome this risk, in order to face this risk, it needs financial aid. So corporate finance is also important because it helps a business organization to manage its risk. Now move towards the next one, which is replacing of old assets. Any asset when purchased initially, it has a lifetime period. After certain years of use, it becomes outdated, and it becomes very much necessary for the business organization to replace its asset. And whenever we think about replacement of assets, it requires huge finance. So a business organization cannot keep on using the same plant and machinery over the years. After certain years, the machinery becomes outdated and it has to be replaced, but replacement requires finance. So again, corporate finance plays an important role in replacement of old assets. Let us move towards the next one, which is payment of dividend and interest. As we studied earlier, capital can be raised by means of selling shares, debentures, bonds, bank loan, etc. Now, these shareholders, these debenture holders, bond holders have to be paid certain amount in return. So what are they paid? The shareholders have to be paid dividend, and interest need to be paid to the creditors, bankers, financial institutions, etc. Again, corporate finance is important because it helps a business organization in making the necessary payment of dividend and interest. Let us now move towards the last one, which is payments of taxes and fees. A business organization is equally responsible to the government. How can it show its responsibility towards the government? It can show its responsibility towards governments by paying the income tax, GST, that is goods and services tax, necessary fees to the register of companies whenever various documents are filed. Unless and until it pays these taxes, it cannot carry on its business in a smooth manner because it's a compulsion to pay income tax, GST and necessary fees to the registrar of companies. So finance is very much needed for payment of all these taxes and fees, and again this shows the importance of corporate finance. So dear students, with this we have completed the importance of corporate finance. So let us have an overview as to which are the tenets of importance of corporate finance. Firstly, corporate finance is important because it helps in decision making. Secondly, it's important because it helps in raising capital. Third, it also helps in carrying on research and development activities. Corporate finance is also important because it helps in smooth and efficient running of business. Not only that, it brings about an coordination between the various departmental activities, and cooperation is the basis for the growth of any business organization. Next, it also helps in bringing about the expansion and diversification activities. It also helps in managing the risk. It also helps in replacing the old assets with new technology, with new modern assets. It also helps in payment of dividend and interest. And finally, it also helps in payment of taxes and fees. So children, with this we have completed the question on importance of corporate finance. Thank you to all of you for your patience listening.